At this time, we ask that you please rise and remove your caps for the National Anthem. Tonight's colors are presented by the New York City Police Department. Here to perform the Star-Spangled Banner is 14-year-old Mary Tankersly, who in 2012 was diagnosed with osteosarcoma, cancer of the bone in her right leg. Mary underwent multiple surgeries and 28 weeks of chemotherapy, which she finally completed in 2013. Since that time, she has taken dance classes, learned to run again, and played Ursula in a production of The Little Mermaid. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mary Tankersly.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mary Tankersly and the New York Police Department.